installation of Heatsync on Peltor Optime headsets like this 105 model is the easiest I've found. We're going to grab the heatsink and we're going to inspect and look for two holes, one on either side. Those are going to tell you which side is the long side versus the short side, because the heatsink is an oval. What we're going to do is we're going to make sure that the two holes are approximately right here, lined up with where the headband attaches. So what we're going to do is we're going to simply grab the heatsink and pull it right over the top of the Peltor Optime headset. We're going to make sure that that hole is approximately here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our stainless steel locking ring. Now it's a ring because we're going to bend it until it's a C and then more like an oval shape. So when it's actually installed, it'll be like a ring underneath the pad. So if we look on this side, there's a pad, and then there's this bright red feature right here. Underneath this is an empty space where the expanding ring can open up and trap this fabric underneath it to lock the heatsink in place. So what we're going to do is grab this ring, bend it into shape. We're going to go in from the front, and we're going to push down and trap this innermost black fabric underneath that feature. It is that easy. On this headset, we do not remove the headband. The reason for that is it does not allow the heatsink to properly fit underneath. We can adjust this so that the wire is completely hidden. We can dress this so that the fabric is comfortable and form-fitting as much as possible. And we can move on to the other side when we're ready.